The warning "secure vehicle" against rolling in the Mini Cooper vehicle may happen because of the shifter failure. And in 95% of cases, this is a very tiny torsion spring that costs several dollars or euros. But the problem is that replacing the spring is only possible after you disassemble the entire shifter. The spring activates when the shifter is moved to park, and it just tells the computers in your car that the shifter is in park. This doesn't actually mean that the shifter will not work and the transmission will not apply the parking pole. You are safe to drive, and the only thing that's wrong is the warning on the dash. The remaining 5% of cases are problems with the shift lock solenoid, which is a little cheaper to replace, but in this case your transmission will most likely not shift out of park, or there will be other anomalies with shifting. So in this case there is no choice and you should have the car repaired. If the problem is with the little torsion spring and everything works fine, you need to contact your Mini dealership and inquire about the extended warranty. A certain range of VIN numbers was covered by an additional warranty, and your car may be among them. If it is, the dealership will replace the shifter assembly for free, and the new assembly will have the updated spring design. If it's not under warranty, you can choose one of three ways. Pay about $500 or euros for replacing the $2 part. Do it on your own after watching several YouTube videos, which is not as simple as it may seem. Or just forget about it and drive like this. The warning will be triggered only when you shift to park, but you may be sure that the transmission works and the vehicle is secured by the parking pole. Or alternatively, you may buy and install the new shifter assembly that costs about $800, but it is still not that easy to replace, so some professional help will still be needed.